Here are some pocket watches, and we've got different types of pocket watches represented here. These watches here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, that have these covers on them are called hunting cases. So a hunting case, when someone refers to a hunting case, that means it has a cover over the front of the watch to protect it. The watches that don't have a cover over their faces, that are not called hunting watches, are considered open-faced watches. Out of the watches here, there are several that are different than the others. If you look at these two, or these three, these four right here, they all wind at, or they have their crown at the 12 o'clock position. Now if you see, this one's at the 3 o'clock position, this one's at the 3 o'clock, this one's at the 3 o'clock position, this one's at the 3 o'clock position, and so is this. These are called sidewinders. Here's an example of a gold-filled case. Now, gold-filled was a technique that they used where they had 3 layers of metal. They had a top and bottom layer that was gold and a center layer that was brass, and it was sandwiched together, and that's what they called gold-filled. Now this one's quite worn, and you can see that the brass is wearing through the gold there, and even along the outside here you can see where the brass is coming through. So this case is quite worn. Now that's one way to tell that that's a gold-filled case, but then there are also other ways. Another way would be that they are usually marked with information stating that they're guaranteed for 25 years. When you see that type of guarantee, that means that they're guaranteed that the watch case will last. That 20-year guarantee can be marked anywhere inside of the case. And I'll open one of these cases and we'll see what that looks like. Removing the back of this case, there's a little emblem in there